crazy about it, and they
कैसे
want
आ
us.
रहा है? 4 कब आ रहा है? Is that the question?
So season 3 कब आ रहा है? आपके जो
Season 4. Season
अच्छे
4.
that made you laugh the most. We could start with that. Like,
Okay, so firstly, season 4, you guys have to, I've always mentioned this everywhere, you all have to contact the writers, the producers, the founders of the show because we are just actors. If we are given an opportunity, we will surely do it. It's not in our hands to produce the show once again. So you have to go and ask the producers and the directors, not directors, sorry, everybody else. Not us. हम काम कर लेंगे, हमें ऑफर आने दो, हम कर लेंगे.
acha,
Okay.
a favorite scene with Parth from the show that you like, really love, and it may whenever you think about it, it just brings a smile on your face.
Okay, so this is season 3 का I will tell you. So
Hmm.
basically it was the कहीं से बारिश आ जाती है. We are on the in the middle of the road, and to shoot that it was actually very funny. It was super funny because it was I think 4 or 5 in the morning. We both are freezing, and हम लोग कॉफी पी रहे हैं, and then they giving us Red Bull because अभी 4 के 5 बज रहे हैं and all. And this was the last scene, and we were done for the season. But it was very funny because वो tired, वो दिखा रहे थे कि टायर ऐसे नीचे जा रहा है, पता नहीं हम टायर की वजह से हमारे रीटेक्स हो रहे थे, टायर की वजह से. It was just very funny. Like, are you serious? We are like freezing. We literally freezing. We're like sir is like एक और guys, एक और हमारी तो बिल्कुल जान चली गई थी. But yeah, that was actually a fun scene to shoot because we were laughing. And टायर की वजह से बहुत retakes हुए. So I think that is a fresh memory because other ones everybody I think knows. So.
Acha. So, would you recreate these shows again? Like, the whole procedure of the runs and everything is going on, and people have asked you also about, if Kaisi Ayarian is coming back. But if given an opportunity to you to
Which
reshoot
show? Which
shows, which one would it be?
I think Hip Hip Hooray. I've grown up watching that. I used to love Hip Hip Hooray. I used to love the entire team. I remember when I met, जब मुझे पता चला कि Mehul is playing my चाचा जी. Literally, I was on like some cloud 17 or 19. I was so excited because I have seen him when I used to watch my favorite show. And I remember like I met him and I was like, so I'm such a great fan of yours. I was like, I used to watch you guys, this and that, and we guys became very pally and friendly. Then फिर आई किशोर, मैं ऐसी I was like, hey, senior actor, ये भी थी यार. I was like, so cool. I remember messaging my mother and father and my sister mostly. I was like, hey, yaar. I was like, this is so nice. She's also in the show. And then Rushad also came. And I was like, this is amazing. Full Hip Hip Hooray ki team is coming. So I was like, I am sorted. I'm really happy. But I think they really like, I think Hip Hip Hooray should come back again. It was like the epic show.
How special has Ishbaz been for you? And because Mannat was loved by everybody. So how has that been?
Yes. See, Mannat for me, that show just came ऐसे ही आया और ऐसे ही सब हो गया. It was actually very magical for me. It was the biggest set I have worked, in the biggest production house that I have, everything was so professional. I have never been treated so well, to be very honest. Never. Itna respect to to everyone. I really loved it. And for me, that playing that character was very difficult because वो बात पे शायरियाँ मारती है. Basic life में I'm not like that. तो मुझे ये चीजें याद करने में बड़ी, like, and to work with Nakul and such senior actors, and these guys have been running the show since, like so many years, and then suddenly a newcomer comes and not newcomer, but जो भी है, newcomer only comes and she's there. Literally, I'm telling you, it took me 2 months to like realize because I used to forget lines. I used to be like, oh my god, मैं तो nervous ही जाती थी उधर जाके set पे. मैं ऐसे I used to be just from my like lines. I used to go there. I used to look at them and I used to forget everything. I was like, हमसे ना हो पाएगा. I used to be very conscious because I was very scared. I didn't want to be bad. I think that was the thing because everyone was so good. So good कि मैं I used to feel very नया like ऐसा like acting में scene में like I hope I do well like I hope I'm killing the scene. So yeah, it was a very special show for me for sure.
There are many of your fan clubs are talking about you and Parth coming together. So are we going to see that again, like you and Parth working in a show together?
या मैं कैसे बोलूँ यार, एक तो ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाए पहले, आई थिंक लेट्स ऑल प्रे एंड विश फॉर दैट, एंड ही इज डूइंग रियली वेल राइट नाउ बट इफ वी डू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, व्हाई नॉट? अपॉर्चुनिटी तो हम अपने आप को नहीं दे सकते ना, किसी को हमें देना पड़ेगा. सो या,
Yeah.
so
Okay,
we're waiting for that.
just have this question. Any prank that Nakul sir played on you from on the sets of Ishbaz, or any fun moment that you would want to narrate, share with your fans with Nakul from the sets?
नकुल यार, मैं लिटरली उनके जोक्स भी मुझे समझ नहीं आते थे, बिकॉज मैं इतनी सीरियस हो जाती थी. मैं यूज्ड टू गो देयर, मेरी बहुत, आई डोंट वांट टू यूज सच वर्ड्स, बट आई यूज्ड टू गेट रियली like, you know, you just understand the word. मेरी ऐसे जाती थी, and I used to be like, I just need to kill the scene. I just need to kill the scene. So in that, they have joked a lot around me, like a lot, you know, like मजाक. और मुझे तो समझ, I'm a little tube light. Like it takes me 2 minutes to realize, oh, you just said that to me. I'm like, okay. So yeah, I don't really remember because I was always so nervous about going on set. But yeah, they pranked a lot. And scene will be I think the best scene I think of mine is when he's in the hospital and मैं mirror में खड़ी हूँ, मैं pray कर रही हूँ. I think that was really nice.
Okay.
And the weirdest thing was putting sindoor. I think मुझे जो मजा आता था ना, like मेकअप ज्यादा कभी लगाते थे, फिर हेयर दीदी लगाती थी या फिर मैं खुद लगाती थी. मैं I used to be so dramatic, ये लोग like, I used to do that a lot. I used to love doing that. It's weird, but I used to love it.
तो चलो 4 का छोड़ दो. अगर आपको मतलब एक रूम में अगर आप चलो बंद हो जाते हैं आपके कुछ फैंस के साथ में, 5-6 फैंस के साथ, तो आप वहां क्या करोगे फिर? आप अकेले, वो 5-6, तो हाउ वुड यू लाइक, आपको अगर सोचना हो कि वो फिर क्या हुआ होगा वहां पर अगर बताना हो तो?
Firstly, I'm a person who entertains. Like I am like I come up with these ideas. So मेरे को लगता है I would have like such never have I ever games in my head. I have all these questions. Always I have questions with my friends. Also, I play a lot of games. So I think I would play and ask them a lot of questions. But I would not want to get locked up with people who really like me. Like I like people who don't know me, because then that's a good. You know, I don't like telling anyone who doesn't know me that I'm an actor. I don't like telling anyone that. I like if they don't know me, it's great.
Ever has
Great. I love it.
Okay, so a best thing a fan has ever gifted you?
I think compliments. I think that means the world to me. And sticking by me, I think that is something that I really love.
Okay.
So yeah, I think their loyalty is the best gift.
I just got a question. Parth or Nakul, best co-actor that you worked with?
Yeah, both are good in their own field. I can't be like, it's like if I tell someone to choose me and no one else. So no, I won't do that. They both are good in their own way.
So if you have this cute on-screen persona, cute girl, bubbly girl, fun-loving, if given an opportunity, if offered you a negative role, would you ever take it up?
It depends on how it is. I would not mind taking up for sure, because a sweet girl doing something mean will be really nice to watch, and very difficult for an actor to do that also, you know, break your sweet innocent face and doing something nasty. I think that's also a very big challenge, but the role should be really good also for me.
Okay.
It should do wonders for me.
Yeah, there's cutthroat competition in the industry, and there's so much new talent coming in every day. So do you think with all of this, there's enough room for every actor to explore?
I really feel what is meant for you will happen to you and will happen with you. I don't believe कि अरे अभी ये आया है तो ये कम हो जाएगा. No, if they are meant to be there, it will happen with them. And everybody is different in their own ways. And I do not believe कि you can compare. अरे अगर मैं ये करती वो, because अगर मैं कोई रोल करती जो कोई कर रहा है, I'm going to do it my way and that person will do it their way. So that's how my thinking is. If somebody is put somewhere in life, that is for a reason.
When you came to Bombay, to make the person? Did you always want to be an actor? Let me ask that first. No. So, what were your alternative plans?
Teacher.
Teacher, and that's why you keep telling everyone teacher.
Yeah, that's what I do.
So then, how did acting come up to you? I mean, how did it happen?
It just happened. I was in Bombay for my college. You come and give your you fill those forms for college wale. So उस time
Yeah.
summer वो vacation था ही. So I was in Bombay with my sister chilling and suddenly I get a call. And then they're like, Balaji say, they're like, come. I'm like, I think you got the wrong number because neither. And that time, all I knew about acting is portfolios. मुझे और कुछ नहीं पता था. मतलब ना मेरे पास कोई portfolio है, ना मैंने किसी को बोला कुछ. They're like, नहीं नहीं आप आ जाइए. So then I was like, chalo, let's go, let's see. And then it just clicked and happened.
Okay, that's nice. Fortunate enough. You think?
I think a wrong call made my life. So I can say that.
Okay. Somebody is interested in knowing whether you would change your surname after marriage.
I will change my surname. No, it'll be you'll know what it'll be. My name will be there, but
How is Neeti as a person when in a relationship?
I am in a relationship. Oh, this is a very nice question. I'm very pampering. I'm very
Oh.
like that. Like very, yeah. I'm very like, I'll make you fool. Like you should ask some mother and father this. Oof. I give them weird names. I call them Hal. I'll call them Cutie, Champulal, and all these things. Like weird names, but this is me. Like I'm very pampering. I'm very loving. I'm very affectionate, and I'm very loyal. So I'm very loyal to my people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm very protective also. I'm very possessive.
Possessive.
Yeah, I'm very possessive and protective.
Okay, possessive and protective both. I mean, it's nice to be in a relationship, but do you think people should maintain a line between being protective and possessive?
Certainly. They should maintain a line for sure. I think
Uh,
otherwise, once you cross that line, वो हद पार हो जाती है. So everything you do, I think there should be a line to it. Otherwise, once you cross it, it's not good at all.